A verdict has been reached in the DWI manslaughter trial of a Chesapeake man.
And the jury agreed that 26-year-old Nathan Poole was high on marijuana when he ran two women over nearly 2 years ago in Virginia Beach's town center, killing one. 10 on your side's Chris Horn has been following this case. He is live from outside the courtroom with reaction. Chris?
Yeah, Tom, family members of the victims say this verdict gives them some relief, a sense of justice for Rosa and Concepcion Blanco.
It's important that the rest of society understand that you just can't smoke marijuana and drive a car.
The two women were crossing Constitution at the intersection with Main Street in August 2022. Nathan Poole made a left turn and ran the two women over as they were in the crosswalk. Rosa was killed instantly. Concepcion was permanently hurt with more than a dozen bone fractures. Her son, who testified in the case but did not want to go on camera today, said he learned something about his mother during this whole process. He says she was on board to take the stand from the very beginning.
She's quite a trooper. She proves to me every day that she's quite the fighter that I didn't know that she was. She was on board. Yeah. She wanted some justice for what had happened to her and what had happened to her cousin.
Poole and his attorney never disputed that he had marijuana in his system, but with no standard like we have with alcohol, it was entirely up to the jury to determine whether Poole was in fact impaired.
This was an accident. His family, they're very saddened by this. You know, this was very heavy on his heart, and he wants the victims to know that he's very sorry. I think there's a lot that needs to be done in this area. There's not enough scientific support to give a clear line for citizens.
Lead prosecutor Paul Powers says it would be up to the legislature to set a standard, but that doesn't diminish why this case stands apart.
I think it's extremely important. I think that as time goes on and this case goes through the processes it will in the legal system, that this will probably be a case that people are talking about for a very long time.
Poole's attorney says she and her client will discuss the possibility of an appeal, but that hasn't been determined yet. Meanwhile, he's set for sentencing on August 15th. He faces up to 20 years on the two felony charge convictions. Live in Virginia Beach, Chris Horn, 10 on your side.